welcome back to my channel. Hope you're doing okay. So, as you know by today's video title, that this video is about how do we apply for scholarships and bursaries being a University of Manitoba student. So, I will share my screen and show you how do we apply, what are the requirements and all those things, and how to find that information yourself. So, when you're applying for that, you don't have to be worried what are the requirements exactly, and you can just find out what you need for applying there. So let's not wait any more further and straight get on to the video. So it is pretty easy to find the information regarding University of Manitoba financial aid and awards. So when you go on this web page, you can see all the this is a common eligibility criteria to apply for scholarships, but always check the specific criteria for the scholarship or bursary you're applying for. So there's like an entrance award, which is for Canadian high school students, which international students cannot apply, right? And then there's scholarship for current students. So let's go on this page. We can see it says the important days, like the deadlines to apply for specific ones. This is the common eligibility. And to see what specific eligibility is, you can just tap on this, and then you'll see, for example, this Alumni Association of University of Manitoba Community Leadership Scholarship. For that, you need to show that you are enrolled full time or part time in any faculty or school at University of Manitoba, and have achieved a minimum degree grade point average of 3.0, and have demonstrated extracurricular involvement at university, for example, volunteering. And then the application deadline is August 1st. Then let's open some other one. Let's say this one. So this is for full-time undergraduate student in any faculty who is conducting or proposed to conduct a research related to gay and lesbian people. So for that, this is for them. Um, then there's this one. It is the value 3,000. So enrolled minimum 80% course load in first year, and has been offered an entrance scholarship, has lost a parent or sibling or custodial caretaker within the last 5 years. Then there is another one. So there's like a lot of options. Like you can see which is the one you're eligible for and go for that. And there's next is like the bursaries. So I personally received a bursary past fall. So these are the deadlines for that. Eligibility is here. Then to see specific requirements, you can go over here. You can see what are the requirements. And these are the applications. You can apply for general, Louis Riel one. So you can just see which one you're eligible for. I personally think I applied for the general bursary supplemental award. And there's like international students awards. There you go. This is like when your entrance one, so based on um your high school average. So these are the scholarships or bursaries for that. Then there's this one, which is like you when you are in Canada. So for this you need a GPA of 3.5, and then there is this. This is the regular general bursary, which I showed previous page. Then there's some external awards and scholarships, which are list of organizations which offer scholarships and awards who are current or entering University of Manitoba as undergraduate and graduate studies. So this is for them. So there's these many of it depends which one you're eligible for. You can just click on any of this, and then you can see what the requirements are. So for University of Manitoba, the deadline is October 1st. So and these are like the ones you can apply for. Now let me show you how we apply, like what page. So you go on your home Aurora. So you can see, even as like mentioned over here, like apply now for the scholarship because the deadline is coming up. And then there's this one also mentioned, General Bursary opens early August. So yeah, you just go down, you find this card, financial aid and awards. You go at apply for student aid. Then you select the year, aid period, and the application type. So let's say which one? Let's just tap on this one for now. Then this shows like application deadline, all these things. Confirm, and then you go complete the application. And here it is. So you need to submit an essay for this one, sharing so for the information like what essay they're looking for, you can go back and look over here. So here we go. So what essay? See, applicants will be required to submit an essay, 300 words that speaks the involvement in with University of Manitoba organization and or activities and the personal significance of their experience. So this is what you need to mention in that essay. Just right here, 300 words, select yes, no, whatever you think, like obviously select yes. If you want to move forward with your application, then you do save and continue. Um, and then you just submit. So it's just going to show you an option to submit it. There you go. So I personally received one of the award letters. Let me show you that. So this is the one which I received. So this is the information like I got $1,000 reward value, and it came to my fee account from the convert from which I used to pay my fee with. So I just added it to my next fee. So it was pretty easy, and you get like the reply from them like pretty soon. As soon as like the deadline is over, you hear back from them pretty soon. So that's it. Let me switch back to my phone and we can end this video. So that was it. That's all you need to do to apply for a bursary or scholarship. It's pretty easy. And if you still have any more doubts, like the person who commented, you can still put it down in the comment section. I'll be more than happy to reply to that and help you figure out. So if that's all for today, and see you guys in the next video. Hope I'll be posting that soon enough as well. So bye guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye.